10 years ago, buying a Chinese car was a joke. Today, it's a threat to every major automaker in Germany and Japan. But let's be real, not all Chinese brands are created equal. Some are engineering marvels, while others are just traps. Welcome to Behind the Wheel. We've analyzed the 2025 manufacturing indexes and global sales data to bring you the definitive list of the top 15 Chinese manufacturers. No sponsors, no hype, just the facts. Let's get straight into it with our first contender. Before that, you should know this list is not ranked in a specific order except for the final 5. Heavy hitters, which represent the absolute leaders of the industry. Let's start. JAC Motors, a state-owned automaker. They offer a range of utilitarian and passenger vehicles. Their T9 pickup, it's seen strong success in Central Asia and other emerging markets. Other key models include the JS6 and JS4 SUVs. Entry-level pricing starts as low as $6,000 in domestic markets. That makes JAC a brand focused on accessible mobility. But globally, their footprint is still growing compared to bigger rivals. Next up is GAC, Guangzhou Automobile Group, a major conglomerate known for high manufacturing standards. Their lineup, it includes the GS8 SUV, the GM8 MPV, and the GS3. Solid names, but the real headline, it's their Aeon division and the sporty MPOW models. These vehicles are gaining traction across the Middle East and Asia thanks to aggressive styling and genuine engineering performance that challenges the legacy brands. FAW and Hongqi. FAW is one of China's oldest manufacturers and the parent company of Hongqi, the Rolls-Royce of China. Hongqi serves as the official vehicle for the Chinese state and presidency. They produce the Hongqi L5, the most expensive Chinese car, priced at approximately $680,000 and reserved only for vetted buyers. While Hongqi's sales volume is naturally lower thanks to its ultra-luxury positioning, the brand's prestige unmatched. Even if they aren't in the top 5 by volume, their status as the state's choice speaks volumes. Great Wall Motors GWM, a powerhouse holding company managing several distinct brands. Aura for electric vehicles, WEY for luxury cars, Haval SUVs, Tank off-road cars, and Power for pickup trucks. Together, they form one of China's most versatile automotive groups, covering everything from EVs to luxury, SUVs, off-roaders, and workhorse pickups. Haval, a standout performer. In 2023, Haval vehicles achieved top scores in Australian ANCAP crash tests, proving their safety credentials match global standards. Key models like the H9, H6, Dargo, and Jolion are bestsellers in export markets, offering robust build quality that customers can rely on. Tank, originally part of Great Wall, now a standalone brand focused on serious off-roaders. They're directly targeting the likes of Jeep and Ford Bronco. The lineup, Tank 300, Tank 500, and the flagship Tank 700. These vehicles are becoming increasingly popular globally to mechanical locking differentials, rugged capabilities, and premium interiors, all at competitive price point. In our previous video, we explored the Power pickup in detail. You can watch the full review under the title Top 5 Chinese Pickup Trucks 2025. Now looking ahead, I'm considering a complete review of 2 other standout models, Aura and WEY. Which one would you like to see featured next? Share your preference in the comments below, and I'll create a full, in-depth review based on your choice. Dongfeng Motor Corporation. Dongfeng is a giant in the industry, historically known for commercial and paramilitary-style vehicles. They operate major joint ventures with global players like Citroën and Nissan. In 2023 alone, they moved approximately 670,000 units. Their halo product, the M Hero 917, a rugged off-roader often compared to the Hummer EV. It features military-grade aesthetics, crab-walking tech, and powertrains ranging from 816 horsepower to over 1,000 horsepower in the hybrid variant. Historically, Chinese cars face skepticism regarding quality. That era is over. While Japan remains the top exporter by a slim margin, China is closing the gap rapidly, now leading in total production and EV technology. Now, before the top 5, several excellent companies, while not ranking in the top assessment, deserve recognition for quality vehicles. Exeed, their RX model, is gaining popularity for its luxury-focused approach. XPeng pushing boundaries with the XPeng Aero HT, a flying car concept expected to launch around 2026 with a price tag between $200,000 to $280,000. NIO, a pioneer in battery swapping technology addressing range anxiety. NIO allows users to swap a depleted battery for a fully charged one in minutes, bypassing long charging times entirely. Now, the heavy hitters top 5. BAIC, Beijing Automotive Group. BAIC is an established manufacturer with a long history, notably holding the joint venture to manufacture Mercedes-Benz vehicles in China. Their proprietary off-road lineup, the BJ series. BJ40, BJ60, BJ80 draws clear inspiration from classic 4x4 designs. BAIC is recognized for its commitment to solid manufacturing. Changan Automobile. Changan is a major player backed by state investment and holding a manufacturing partnership with Ford. Key models include the Changan Hunter pickup, the CS75 Plus. However, their premium EV brand Avatar is the one to watch. Designed with futuristic aesthetics, the Avatar 11 and Avatar 12 are dominating conversations. In 2024, Changan hit a record 2.68 million sales, with Avatar contributing significantly. They're targeting 3 million global sales in 2025. Geely. Geely is arguably the most globally integrated Chinese manufacturer. Their strategy involves acquiring and revitalizing global brands. Geely owns Volvo, Polestar, Lotus, and holds a significant stake in Mercedes-Benz and Smart. The numbers back the strategy. In the first half of 2025 alone, Geely sold 1.4 million vehicles, marking 47% growth. Top sellers include the Geely Starray, Boyu, and the Manjaro. When you buy a Geely, you are often getting European engineering at a Chinese price point. Chery. Chery is an export giant and one of the most reliable brands coming out of China. They produced 1.26 million vehicles in the first half of 2025. Chery also owns the Jetour brand, which is exploding in popularity. Models like the Jetour Dashing and the Jetour T2 are leading the chart. In first place, BYD Build Your Dreams. BYD is the undisputed king of the sector. They have surpassed Tesla in overall electrified vehicle sales and even supplied Blade batteries to Tesla for some Model Y production. In just the first half of 2025, BYD moved 1.6 million units. BYD operates a tiered brand structure. BYD main brand affordable, high-value EVs and PHEVs. Denza, a premium brand, formerly a Daimler joint venture featuring the N7, N8, and D9 MPV. Yangwang, the ultra-luxury division, their U8 is a massive floating SUV, and the U9 is a 1,287 horsepower electric supercar that does 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.36 seconds. Fangcheng Bao, a specialized brand for rugged off-road lifestyle vehicles. If you want an EV and prioritize battery tech and safety, BYD is the benchmark. Their vertical integration and patent portfolio are unmatched. Chinese vehicles in 2025 offer exceptional value in terms of tech, specs, and interior quality. They are no longer just cheap alternatives, but genuine competitors. However, a word of caution: resale value. In many global markets, Chinese cars depreciate faster than Japanese or European counterparts. If you buy a $100,000 car, be prepared for a steeper drop in value if you sell it shortly after. Regarding parts, supply chains are improving rapidly, with specialized dealers popping up globally. Ultimately, if budget allows, test drive the best options in the market regardless of origin. But don't sleep on China. They are rewriting the automotive map. I hope this guide helps you navigate the market. I have plenty of deep dive reviews on these specific models right here on the channel. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to help us reach our 10,000 subscriber milestone. This has been Behind the Wheel. Drive safe.